हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब? सो दिस इज़ Millie's Natural Beauty vlog and this is probably my second vlog where I, Rupaina Ghosh Manchanda, your skincare formulator and skincare instructor, just finished a class on how to make hydrating skin brightening serum. So this is what I made. So I'm just going to show you how does this look. So yeah, so you can see this is how it looks and it has very beautiful texture. So I'm just going to keep it today for 24 hours, and after that I'm start going to make it the labeling part, and after labeling and I'm going to gift it away. Why gift it away? Because somebody asked for it, so they just want to give it a try to handmade skincare products. They wanted to know that how does that work. They were having some kind of doubts point ki will it work, will it actually help my skin. So I said, why don't you give it a try? I think there is no harm. You must give your products for trying. So that's how the beauty of handmade skincare product is, that you can make it as per your choice, you can make it as per your skin type, you can make it as per the customer's requirement. So that's how beautiful is handmade skincare products, and that's what I love to teach you all as well, that you can also make handcrafted skincare products through mnbeautystore.com, where I am providing recorded sessions of different topics, so you all can enroll for that, and all those courses are under 100. And if you want to teach live, you want to learn live, not teach live, you want to learn live sessions, then for that you can log into pep.live application, where I am teaching as an instructor lots and lots of beautiful courses, so you all can enroll for that. So here in today's vlog I want to show you something. So this is something I made yesterday. So technically we can't make sheet mask. So as we can't make sheet mask, so what we can do, we can actually create the serum and we can dip this sheet mask tablet in that serum and then we can use it. So I just wanted to show that all of you, and this is a very good technique of do it yourself sheet mask. So let's start with it. And for that, what I'm going to do, so this is a normal dish, and let me first sanitize my hands. Yes, and this is my serum. So this is a very liquidy serum which I formulated yesterday. It has extracts like carrot extract, avocado extract, distilled water, carrot essential oil, and this is majorly for your skin brightening point, and it also has lactic acid. So this thing particular has lactic acid as well. So let me put my sheet mask into this. Yes, so this is the sheet mask tablet. I'm going to keep it aside, and into this I'm going to add this serum. So let's see how does this look. So I've added a pool of serum into this, and I'll take a spoon, and you can see that it has started coming up. Yeah, so I will just put it like this, and see, it's so easy, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to now open it. Yeah, like this. I think it's almost there. See, isn't it wonderful? You can use this on your on your face, and you can have a beautiful your skin relaxation, rejuvenation for your skincare routine. So this is a luxury DIY skincare routine you all can have. So let me just place it like this, and you can feel it, right? So this is what even you can all make. आप सब भी ये बना सकते हैं, and you can actually make and use handcrafted skincare products even for yourself. If you don't want to make a brand out of it, that's totally fine. I will say use it for yourself and then you see how different is your skin now. So which I have felt since I'm making skincare products since last 5 years now, and it has given a good effect on my skin, good effect on my hair. So you all can go for that. And I'm going to come up with more amazing vlogs like this, more skincare vlogs, something foundation vlogs, or vlogs which you may not find anywhere else in terms of skincare, that I'll try to bring up. And I also share DIY videos in my channel of Millie's Natural Beauty. You all can like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon for the same. So let's see you on another vlog. Thank you so much. Take care.